Noticing your iPhone 14 losing battery quickly only when using certain apps? Excessive battery drain from individual apps is often caused by extensive background activity, bugs, unnecessary features, and poor optimization. With the right troubleshooting, you can improve problematic app battery usage. Before we continue, please take a moment to like our video or share it with your friends who may be having issues with their devices. It would be a great help to us. Now let's get started with our tips. Adjust the background activity. The background app refresh feature allows apps to update their content in the background even when you're not actively using them. However, this can drain your battery quickly. By disabling this feature and limiting other unnecessary background functions, you can optimize your battery usage and extend the life of your device. To modify this, navigate to the Settings menu, then select General and then Background App Refresh. Turn off the toggle for the problematic application and limit its background permissions, such as location access. Reinstall the problematic app. Another solution is to delete and reinstall the latest version of the app. This will erase any corrupt data or cache errors that could be causing the issue. First, delete the app from your home screen. This can be done by long pressing the app icon until the option to delete it appears. Next, visit the App Store and search for the app you want to reinstall. Once found, download and install it onto your device. Finally, open the newly installed app and keep an eye on the battery levels. Make sure that the app is functioning properly and that there are no issues with its performance. Update iOS software. Updating your iOS device to the latest version can help improve its battery performance. This is because software updates often come with battery optimizations and fix bugs that may be causing excessive battery drain. Keeping your iOS up to date is an important step in ensuring your device runs smoothly and efficiently. To see if there's an update available, navigate to Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. It's recommended that you download and install the most recent version of iOS. Check the battery while using the problematic app after the update. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings can help refresh the system tools, which can sometimes be glitchy. This can clear any system-level issues or conflicts that may be affecting battery efficiency. Keep in mind that this will erase any personalized settings you have customized, so you may need to reconfigure them afterwards. To reset your device's settings, navigate to the Settings app and select General. From there, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, select Reset, and then reset all settings. You will be prompted to enter your passcode and confirm the reset. After the reset and the reboot, observe your iPhone closely to know if it still drains the battery quicker when using a certain app. If it still does, then it could be a problem with the app itself and not your iPhone. You may need to contact the developer and tell them about the problem, although the problem might not be resolved immediately. We hope that this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.